You want to make money reviewing products online, but you do not know where to begin. Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados, and if you've been following me for some time, you would know that I'm making a living online with what I do as a digital strategist, and I'm going to share with you a little bit how I go about doing that. So let's listen on in. Um, so reviewing products online, you know, you've maybe heard your friends and family, maybe you've heard some people here and there, maybe you've looked on the internet and you've read a couple blogs already. But if you haven't, reviewing products online, there are multiple ways of doing this. And I'm going to share with you just three of those ways you can go about doing it. And I'm going to show you how to just do it the right way. Because I know many people that come to me, they ask me this question and they also ask me if I'm doing it right. How should I do it better? And I always tell them that you need to go back and revise your work because you don't want to come off as somebody who wants to, you want to probably make money from doing this, but you don't want to come off as spammy or salesy. I'm going to show you how not to do it that way. And this is the best way of doing it. And this is going to be so much more productive. So don't worry if you don't like being salesy, you're not going to be that way. I'm in a similar fashion the same way. So let's get started. The number one thing, the number one place you have to look for places to review products to begin first. So think about retailers, think about a merchant, think about somewhere you go shopping. Maybe it's offline, maybe it's online. Think about places like that. What comes to mind? Many come to my mind: Best Buy, Zappos, the Home Depot, and then you have one of the big giants, Amazon. So Amazon is the one I want to hit on and the one I want to focus on. So Amazon, you can go on Amazon, and if you go to their directory, which is at their homepage, you go to the left, those little three rows, little lines. Click there, you go underneath, it's going to bring down a drop down menu, and it's going to show you all the categories that Amazon has to offer. And in there, if you go to one specifically, if you click on anything like home and beauty or fitness, it gets you another subcategory, and you can do like physical fitness or anything else. And if you click that one, it'll bring you to products, and that's where you want to be. Okay, that's where you want to go. So once you're in that section, what's going to happen is it's going to bring up all these different products and services that are in that category. And what you want to do is select one of those. You can select one of those, and when you select it, when you go underneath that product, it gives you all the reviews. And if that hasn't struck with you yet, just hear me out. All those reviews are what people are doing. They're reviewing products online. So they're getting paid to put those reviews on Amazon. That's a good thing. But here's a downside to that. You get paid very little. They do follow up with you in email to review more products, but you don't make so much per product. I think it's some between less than $1, more than $1. So you're going to be spending a lot of time reviewing products online, and I wouldn't want to be doing that. Although I've been on Amazon and I've done a little bit of that already for some of the products that I own and some of the products that I like. And so, it's one of the routes to go, but it's going to take you time. Now, you can take what you've learned from Amazon and apply it to a different way. Um, and this is another way of doing it that I'm showing you right now, which is YouTube. So you can review those products on Amazon by coming to YouTube and promoting them that way. And so you can get a traffic source and build up an audience that way. That's another way. That's the second route. And then number three would be through blogging. Okay. So this is your other traffic source that you can target. So you have the product already. You selected a merchant, and now you're trying to promote that product, write about that product, so you can get more traffic in. And one of the ways that I've started doing it a lot, and where I began, was in blogging. So this is where you set up a WordPress account, and then you put content on your website, and you bring traffic to that page, and they click through your link, and they make a purchase. And there's a word for that if you haven't heard of it. It's called affiliate marketing. So I do this through affiliate marketing, and it's basically, if you haven't heard about that, it's where I'm the middleman. So in between the person who wants to buy that product, and like Amazon, for example. So I'm linking the person to Amazon with my affiliate link. So once they click there and they go make a purchase, then I make a commission off of that. So that's a way that you can review products, and that's the way I started, and that's the way I recommend going if you're a beginner and you want to get into affiliate marketing, which is a great way to earn passive income and reoccurring income if done correctly. And for myself, I've built up my own websites. And when I first started in affiliate marketing, I was in the health and wellness industry. So I was targeting people with lower back pain. At the time I had a lot of lower back pain, and I was able to offer people my expertise in that subject. So I created a website around that. And I was using Amazon, and I was using other affiliate retailers, like, if you've heard of them, there's ShareASale, JVZoo, Commission Junkie, all these other ones. I'm going to have a link to in the description below, so you can access those and you can sign up for them completely free. I know some of them probably give you a little like, we're going to check up on the account and we'll get back to you. Some of them just offer it right away. So that's what you can do. I know Amazon Associates, you can sign up for free. You're good to go. And you'll have an account going, so you can start reviewing products. And, you can do it in this way. And when I'm doing affiliate marketing, and when you can do affiliate marketing too, is you want to target the right keywords, right? So you want to be able to not only choose the right products, but do your right keyword research. So keyword research basically means, like, I'm going to Google, and what somebody types in Google is the word you want to target for. So if somebody's targeting the word how to or where to buy a yoga mat, or yoga mat review, you would write a blog post or a video around that keyword specific. And I don't have it here where I can show you by example, but I'm going to have more resources underneath if you wanted to join my mastermind group, or I also have my course, my membership course that I offer you for free, so you can join that and see how you can review products online and how you can get started with affiliate marketing. That being said, choosing the right keywords and lining them up with the right products is the key, because you don't want to choose a product that is not highly rated, or it just doesn't get enough traffic, enough volume, or even worse, it's the commissions are really low. And I know that Amazon has low commissions, and it can't get you'd have to sell more than 1,000 products just to probably have a full-time income off of that. But it's a great place to start. There's other programs that offer more than 2, 4, 6%, some 15% products. Now, there are more products that are in like the 30% to 100% range that are more considered high-ticket affiliate products. And these are more geared towards software services, email services, and things like that. So when you're reviewing a product, it's important that you pick a niche, okay? What I mean by a niche is picking a subject, for example, lower back pain for chronic pain patients, okay? So that's a niche, okay? I'm selecting a market within the health and wellness. My sub-market is lower back pain, and then your market, your niche is going to be lower back pain for chronic back pain patients. And then from there, you write relevant information around it through WordPress if you're doing blogging, and you're going to be doing reviews. You're going to be picking reviews to write about within that niche, within that subject. So anything with chronic pain, it could be like a massager, a heating pad, office chair, and I would write a review around them, right? And I would target these keywords that people are typing into Google, and I would make sure I select the right keyword. And I'm going to show you how to select the right keyword if you take the membership course training. And you have to select it with known keyword researching. That's what it's called. And there's these different keyword research tools you can select that show you how much average search is going on, how much traffic that keyword gets, how many people are competing for that keyword, etc. Domain authority, page authority, which you don't really have to worry about so much right now. But you can do that. And I'm also going to have a link to that same article that I'm explaining to you right now, so it can show you actually how I go through it and it'll show you exactly what I do when I go on Amazon. How do I select the category, and then how to branch out from there, and then how to keep moving forward, and how I make money, which is through affiliate marketing. It's going to give you so much more information on how I got started in this field. So if you want to learn more information on how to do all that, and you want to learn from somebody like myself who's been able to help so many people out with that, go ahead and look in the description below and get access to that information, guys. All right, I'm going to get going now. And I want to just say thank you for being here. I'll talk to you later.